Welcome to Learn Yourself. Let us learn and understand today in-text questions from the page number 149. So first question is, when do we say that work is done? So when can we say that work is done? So work done equals to force into displacement. So whatever force we are applying on an object, it causes some of the displacement, and the direction of the force acting on an object and displacement, both directions should be same. Then only we can say that work done. So here work done is a product of force and displacement. But what is the condition? Provided the displacement should be in the direction of the force applied. If the direction of the force and displacement both are opposite to each other, that means the force acting on an object is a friction force. So in that case, work done is a negative. In this case, where the force and displacement both are in the same direction, in that situation work done is positive. And if there is no displacement but still the force is acting on an object but it doesn't cause any displacement, that it will be zero work done on the object. So this is a definition of work done. Then second question is, write an expression for the work done when a force is acting on an object in the direction of the displacement. So that is work done equals to force into displacement. So here F into S will be there, and that too positive because direction of the displacement and force both are same. So that is Fs. So this term is positive. Work done here is positive. If the force acting on an object will be opposite to the direction of the displacement, then this will be negative. Either you can take F negative or the displacement you are taking, that can be negative. Either of this quantity will be negative. So here whatever work done we will get, that will be in negative term. So here it says that in the direction. So that's why this both of the quantities are positive. If this will be opposite, in opposite direction of its displacement, then either of this quantity will be negative. Either you can take force negative or you can take displacement negative. So in that case work done will be negative. Work done quantity will be negative because here whatever applied force is a friction force. Our third question is, define 1 joule of work. So definition of 1 joule work is, 1 joule is the amount of work. When we can say that 1 joule work has been done, then when a force of 1 Newton, so for any object or on any object, when we are applying 1 Newton force, displace it by 1 meter, and by application of this force, this object will displaced by 1 meter. So force is 1 Newton and displacement is 1 meter. Along the line of action of the force, that means the direction of the force and displacement both should be in the same path, in the same direction. So along the line of the force, so the force line and the displacement line should be same. So when we are applying 1 Newton force to any object and it will displaced 1 meter in the direction of the force, and that particular situation, and in that particular situation how much work done is there on this object? 1 joule work has been done on that object. So this is the definition of 1 joule work. And here joule is also equals to Newton meter, because from the formula of work done, it is a product of force and displacement. So here if we are writing 1 Newton and displacement is 1 meter, then it is 1 Newton meter. Now 1 Newton meter is equals to 1 joule. So if you will remember this 1 Newton meter, then it is easy to remember this definition, that when we are applying 1 Newton force, object will displace 1 meter, and in that situation work done is 1 joule. And if we want to know that how much energy we have used, then it will be same as work done, because how much ever the work done equal to the energy usage. So if 1 joule work has been done, then 1 joule of energy has been used into this action. Our fourth question is, a pair of blocks exert a force of 140 Newton on a plow. The field being plowed is 15 meter long. How much work done in plowing the length of the field? So this much force is there, and we need to plow the field which is 15 meter long. So how much will be the work done in this case, that we have to find out. So we have this details, that force we have, that is 140 Newton, and the field which is being plowed is 15 meter long. So length, or here in this case the displacement, is 15 meter long. So how much work done? So W equals to F into S. 40 Newton and displacement is 15 meter. So the answer is 2100 Newton meter, or we can also write 2100 joule. That is the unit of work done. This much work will be done when 140 Newton force we are applying and we are plowing the field which is 15 meter long. So hope this video has solved your doubt. In coming videos we are going to cover some important concepts. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.